Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food. Okay, these are healthy food. Yogurt, chicken, sandwich, cheese, meat, juice, milk, corn, egg, fruit, vegetables and fish. These all are healthy food. Now we are going to learn about unhealthy food. Unhealthy foods. Sweets are unhealthy. Lollipops, chocolate, fizzy drink, candies and candy floss. These all are unhealthy food. Now here, healthy and unhealthy food. Healthy food, unhealthy food, match healthy food with star and unhealthy food with cross. Okay, here the chicken is healthy or unhealthy? Chicken is healthy, so we will match the chicken with star. Okay, then sweets are healthy or unhealthy? Sweets are unhealthy, so we will match the sweets with a cross. Then a chocolate. Chocolate is, of course, this is unhealthy. And milk. Milk is a healthy food. Vegetables. Vegetables are healthy. Lollipop. Lollipop is unhealthy. Candy floss. Candy floss is unhealthy. And the last one is fruits. Fruits are healthy. Fruits and vegetables both are healthy. Sorry. I mean this is healthy and this one is unhealthy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.